question of the day. Hànanda, when you say you're an active investor, what do you actually mean? As an active investor, I am really looking at notes or something note related almost every day. And from that, I'm sourcing notes, I'm going through collateral files, I'm doing appropriate due diligence to make sure that the asset is something that I am willing to pay for. So I'm making sure that due diligence was performed. I may need to work with county tax offices, an attorney. I will check into insurance and a number of things, again, to make sure that there's a good return for the deal and that it's something that's safe enough that I feel like I want to have it in my own portfolio. And from there, I'm going to manage the deal. I'm going to fund the deal. I'm going to watch payments come in and be the bank. And I'll give you an example. A couple of weeks ago, I looked at over 300 notes and I made offers on 3. So a lot of work and a lot of effort to run numbers, to perform due diligence, and that's only just to get to the point of making an offer. So it's a workload, for sure, and it's a responsibility, but I do get passive income. Once all of that is done, I can collect payments for up to 30 years after that one chunk is done. And if that feels like it's too much for you and you're like, oh, but how could I do a shortcut? Well, that's whenever you become the passive investor. And as a passive investor, you're going to work with me as an active investor, and you're going to take the shortcuts that's taken me years to learn. If you want to know how to be the bank, let me know.